see what I'm wearing because I don't even know. What's good, you guys? Good morning. Today I have quite a few random errands to run. You know, like when you have a list and it's like one or two things from a million different places? That's kind of like my day today. So in my last vlog, I had mentioned that I wanted to get rid of my duvet. I just cannot stand the lint, no matter if I try to wash it and use dryer sheets and lint roll it. Like, it just, no, it can't be saved. So I want to get a replacement from Ikea for that. I want to pick up some stuff like Valentine's Day related things from Trader Joe's and see what they have, specifically dog treats, because Leroy loves the Valentine's Day ones. I just bought him some and they're almost gone already. So I know they're going to discontinue them soon, so I want to stock up on some of those and see if they have any dairy-free, I don't know, chocolates or something, maybe like cacao based. And I also need to stop by a Home Goods, a Marshalls, or a TJ Maxx to get poop bags for Leroy and like dog shampoo and stuff like that as well. So I'm hoping that I won't be out too long. Excuse me, it's 10:30 in the morning and I've already left a vlog uploading, so I edited that early today. So I want to be back at a relatively reasonable time. I just got my HelloFresh delivery, so I want to make that today and clean the house, and my friend's coming over. So I want to bake brownies and do some fun stuff. So let's get a move on. You know, me sitting here vlogging isn't gonna do much, but I'm gonna go up to Burbank today because they have literally everything up there. Target right next to Marshalls, not too far away from the Ikea, and there is a Trader Joe's in that area as well. So it kind of just makes sense. I don't have to be driving all over town, and I believe it's about 30 minutes away. There's like no traffic right now. So I think we're gonna go hit Ikea first. 25 minutes away, not bad. Looks like we finally made it to Ikea. Is this a shortcut? Jesus. I'm really not trying to do all this today, y'all. I'm just trying to get a duvet and get out of here. Oh my god, baking stuff. I don't need it, but like, how cute. I never bake, but that would make me want to start. I was looking for something like this, but not silicone. Okay, kitchen. I swear they have everything that you ever could possibly need. Like, how cute would this be for the Nespresso? Not that I need it. Plate organizers. Cute bowls. Ooh, these are so adorable. Kayla, we're getting distracted. Okay, all of the times I've come to Ikea, I never knew there was a freaking shortcut. So if I wanted to come to the marketplace, I would literally go through the entire Ikea. Jesus. All right, so it's between these two. They're slightly different. Obviously, this one's lighter. This one's a little darker, has striped detail. But look at this price. That is what we're here for. Well, actually, it's like $40. Yeah, queen. It's not showing up true to color, but I think this is it. I love these, but I don't need it. Bitch. Okay, real talk. This is like a studio apartment dream when it comes to organization. Look at this. This is like giving me inspo, you guys. Okay. Oh my god, I thought these were real. I was like, what? Where is the real plants? Actually, this is kind of cute. 30 bucks. I probably don't have to build it, right? I think I'm gonna go try and get this table. It's 30 bucks, and I definitely like how high it is, so maybe we can find it. Oh no, I'm not about to put nothing together. It's a no for me, fam. I just made it to the shopping center. I miss Burbank. I used to live here, actually. It reminds me a lot of home because it's, first of all, there's parking lots, okay? See, in LA, it's all their garages and stuff, so it's just easier and more convenient, honestly, not to have to go get a ticket, validate the ticket, pay for the ticket, keep track of the ticket, you know what I mean? Like, you can just pull up in front of whatever store you want to go to. So, like I said earlier, I think in the vlog, there's a Marshalls and TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna run in and get some stuff for Leroy, and then I just parked outside of Target, so I'm gonna run to Target after that and get household stuff. And I don't need to get groceries because I already got a HelloFresh delivery, so that's gonna make my day so much more convenient. And I really need to get a car wash. It's really dusty in here, but we just do not have the time for that today. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, wow, my burn looks really bad. Looks like I found bus in my head. Oh my god, I did something so embarrassing. So last night I was with my friend and I was pumping gas. It was like late, and I never recommend getting gas if you're a girl by yourself at nighttime. So anyways, I was with my friend. I was like, hey, I'm gonna get gas really quick. So I pull over, I'm pumping gas. I look over and I see another Jeep Willys next to mine. Same model, same year, just a two-door. And I was so excited because I never see them on the street. So I was just like, hi, like, oh my god, because I saw him looking and smiling. I didn't Jeep wave. I was like really extra with it. My friend is like, what the fuck going on? And I'm just like, listen, it's the Jeep community, okay? We unite out here in these streets. So I'm a Jeep wave to all my Jeepers out there watching the vlog today. Just wanted to point that out. Have you guys ever had any weird like Jeep wave moments? Because half the time I'll Jeep wave and nobody waves me back, but that's probably because I live in LA. I don't freaking know. But anyways, I just thought I would tell you guys that little story time, but I'm about to go run in and do my errands. It's 11:44, so hopefully we won't be in the store for too long as I sit here and ramble. But I just wanted to do like a fun run errands with me week prep type of video and take you guys along with me for my errands. I'm just gonna take some water really quick because I don't want to carry this. Stay hydrated, guys. Don't leave your house without water, okay? Ooh. So I've just made a quick lunch. I did tuna toast because it's not really a sandwich, and then I did an avocado toast as well, and it was just such a sad day because I cut into the avocado and it was halfway brown. I did a poor job making up my bed, but I'm waiting for the laundry to finish up. So I went with this pink color. I thought it would be really fun because there is pink in the artwork that I have, and also I have these black pillows and like white sheets, so I thought that pink would be a fun color, plus it won't show dirt from Leroy as much, and also it isn't going to show the lint. So I ended up getting Lee a little toy as well. Look what Mommy got you. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, I gotta cut the tags off first. He loves it. All right, you guys, new bedding. It's lit. Leroy has a new friend. I try to get the toys without a lot of stuffing because he will have stuffing everywhere, and I had to throw out a toy last night and he was just staring at the trash for a good hour and I felt terrible, but it looks like he likes it. Let's go to the gym. Okay, Jesus, that was not smooth at all. All right, goodbye. off, I did a little bit of stretching, a 5-minute warm-up on the Stairmaster, and then 25 minutes on the treadmill. It was definitely a lazy workout for me, but my legs have just been so tight. I did not feel like bopping around and doing body movements and all that stuff. So it was a very light workout, better than nothing. So I just burned 354 calories while I was in the gym. But I'm going to actually go get a pedicure right now. What better thing to do on a lazy evening than to go pamper yourself? Talk about a relaxing day. I feel like I was there for at least an hour and 15 minutes. But I'm gonna go to Hollywood Boulevard. I'm actually in West Hollywood right now. I'm gonna try to find a Valentine's Day gift. There's that, but it's already getting kind of late. I don't even know what time it is. And it's dark and I'm not really trying to be walking down Hollywood Boulevard at nighttime. So hopefully I can find what it is that I have in mind.